Hello student. Today we are going to start new unit alcohol, phenol and ether. First we see the introduction of alcohol, phenol, ethers. What are the alcohols? Alcohols are the organic compound containing OH group attached to saturated carbon atom. See here, this is a saturated carbon atom and OH group is attached to that carbon atom. These compounds are called alcohol. Next example, see here, CH3OH, that means methyl alcohol. In this case, OH group is attached to saturated carbon atom. Next, phenol. What are the phenols? Phenols are organic compound containing OH group directly attached to aromatic ring. Similar alcohol, phenols also have OH group, but in this case OH is directly attached to aromatic ring. This is a aromatic ring and OH group is directly attached to the carbon of aromatic ring. These compounds are called phenols. And next, aromatic alcohols. What are aromatic alcohols? These are the organic compound containing OH group attached to side chain of aromatic ring. See here, in phenol, OH group is attached to directly carbon of aromatic ring, and in aromatic alcohol, OH group is attached to the middle carbon atom and the carbon attached to the carbon of benzene ring. That means in phenol, OH group is attached to direct aromatic ring, and in aromatic alcohol, OH group is not directly attached to aromatic ring, it attached to the carbon and the carbon attached to the aromatic ring. In this way, we see the alcohols, phenols and aromatic alcohol. Our next definition is ether. What are the ethers? Ethers are the organic compound containing an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups. Or two aryl groups, or one alkyl or one aryl group. Ethers are also considered as anhydrides of alcohols. Why they are considered as anhydride of alcohols? Because when two molecules of alcohols, like in this way, are mixed and then water is removed, then forms ROR. Hence, ethers are also known as anhydride of alcohols. Ethers are organic compound containing oxygen. See here, ethers are organic compound containing oxygen, and this oxygen is attached to two alkyl group, or also attached to two aryl groups, or also attached to one aryl group or one alkyl groups. These compounds are called ethers. In this case, this alkyl and alkyl may be same or may be different. In this way, we see the alcohols, phenols, aromatic alcohols and ethers. Our next point is classification of alcohol and phenols. Depending upon number of OH group presents, alcohols and phenols are classified as monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol and trihydric alcohol. When more than 3 OH groups are present, then it also called polyhydric alcohols. And same way, monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol and dihydric phenol. See here, this is the example of monohydric alcohol, methyl alcohol, or this is a phenol. See here, this is the example of ethylene glycol, dihydric alcohol, and this is a glycerin. We may also say that glycerol, or propane 1,2,3 triol. In this way, this is a monohydric phenol. Here into benzene ring, 2 OH groups are attached, and in benzene ring 3 OH groups are attached. This is a trihydric phenols. When number of OH groups increases, then more than 3, then it also called polyhydric phenol. One polyhydric phenol is sorbitol. In that case, 6 OH groups are present. Our next point is classification of alcohol containing sp3 carbon atom attached to OH group. See here, in this case, this carbon atom which is attached to OH group is sp3. This is a sp3 carbon atom, but depending upon nature of carbon atom, these alcohols are also classified as primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, or tertiary alcohols. See here, this is a primary carbon atom, this is a secondary carbon atom, and this is a tertiary carbon atom. Depending upon nature of carbon atom, when the OH group is attached to primary carbon atom, then they called primary alcohols. When OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom, they are called secondary alcohol, and when OH group attached to secondary carbon atom, they called tertiary alcohol. What is meant by primary carbon atom? The carbon atom which is attached to only one alkyl group. See here, secondary carbon atom means that carbon atom which is attached to two alkyl groups, and tertiary carbon atom is that carbon atom which attached to three alkyl groups. In this way, we can classify the alcohols which contain sp3 carbon atom, sp3 carbon atoms as primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols. Our next point is allylic alcohols. In these alcohols, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon-carbon double bond. See here, they are also classified as primary, secondary, and tertiary. What are the difference between alkyl alcohols and allylic alcohols? In this case, these alcohols, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. See here, OH group is attached to this sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here also OH group is attached to this sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Here also this OH is attached to this sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is attached to carbon-carbon double bond. See here, this carbon is attached to carbon-carbon double bond carbon. This carbon also attached to the carbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond, and here also this carbon attached to the carbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond. That means in allylic alcohols, the OH group is attached to, in allylic alcohols, the OH group is attached to, see here, this is the OH group attached to the carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. That means which contain three other bonds, and this carbon atom is attached to the carbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond. In this way, we can see the allylic alcohols, and they are also classified into primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Our next point is benzylic alcohols. In benzylic alcohols, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is bonded to aromatic ring. See here, in benzylic alcohol, the OH group is attached to, this is the OH group which is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. That means that carbon also have the OH group. This is a bond, one and other three bonds, and this carbon is attached to the carbon atom which contain carbon-carbon double bond. See here, these are the benzylic, these are the allylic alcohols, and in benzylic alcohol, in benzylic alcohol, OH group is attached to that carbon atom, the carbon which is attached to benzene ring. In this way, these are the benzylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols are also classified as primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Our next point is alcohols containing sp2 hybridized carbon atom which is attached to OH bond. In this case, OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom which is a part of carbon-carbon double bond. See here, These alcohols are also called vinylic alcohols. See here, the OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is a sp2 hybridized carbon atom which is attached to carbon carbon double bond. In this way, these are the vinylic alcohols or vinyl alcohols. Our next point is classification of ether. We see the classification of alcohol and phenol. Classification of alcohol and phenols are monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. Another classification of alcohol is allylic, benzylic, and our next point is classification of ether. What are the ethers? In definition, we see the point. What are the ethers? Ethers are the compound which contain divalent oxygen atom which is attached to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl groups or one aryl groups. According to definition, we see that there are the presence of two alkyl, two aryl or one aryl or one alkyl group. On the basis of that, the ethers are classified into two types. Symmetrical ether, they are also known as simple ether, and unsymmetrical ether, they are also known as mixed ether. See here, in symmetrical ethers, oxygen atom is attached to same alkyl group or to same aryl group, or see here the example dimethyl ether. This is the example of dimethyl ether. In unsymmetrical ether, see here the oxygen is attached to aryl groups, but one alkyl group is different than another. See here also oxygen attached to two aryl group, but one aryl group is different and this aryl group is also different. See the example of unsymmetrical ether, ethoxymethane. This is the example of unsymmetrical ether. In this way, we see the points: definition of alcohol, phenol, and ethers, and classification of alcohol, phenol and ethers. I hope you can understand the point. We have to stop here. On the next period, we see the classification of nomenclature of alcohol.